Hey guys, and welcome to another installation tutorial. Today we're going to go over the grill installation for the 24 Plus Tacoma. Really easy to do, inexpensive. It adds a lot of styling to the front of your truck and also adds a lot of protection to that grill. It protects it from road debris, stuff like that is going to come up against. That stuff usually wreaks havoc on grills. So this is a really easy install. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you're going to want to gather together the items that come with your grill overlay kit. That includes your installation instructions, that yellow sheet of paper, and adhesion promoter, either coming in a pen or some other form. As far as tools go, all you really need is isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth and some masking tape, but that's it. Okay, so your first step is going to be the dry fit, very important part. This is where you basically do the installation but without removing the backing to the 3M tape, so that lets you kind of test fit everything, put it the way that it's supposed to go. So now that we're done with our dry fit, we're going to go ahead and wipe down that surface with isopropyl alcohol. You do it to remove any chemicals or bugs or dirt that are on the grill. Alright, so your kit comes with that adhesion promoter packet or pen. I'm not going to use that because we've got a bunch of it at the shop. So you basically just wipe the adhesion promoter on the surface of the grill where the 3M tape is going to be touching down. You give it a moment to dry, and now we can start moving on to the next step. So I'm using an X-Acto blade to split the 3M tape down the middle on that upper edge. That's going to give us the ability to take those two edges and peel them around to the front, tape them there for access later. It makes the installation so much easier because you're not having tape touch down before it's ready, and then you can still peel off the backing and get it to attach later. So we're going to do that on all the perimeter areas of tape. So essentially take the first inch, wrap it around to the front side, use masking tape to tape that to the front side for access later. For the interior pieces of tape, we actually have to remove all the red backing right now because we can't access it later. So go ahead and peel all of that back. Alright, so now we're doing the official placement. So be very careful while you're doing this. Make sure the tape doesn't touch down before you're ready. So line everything up just like we did in the dry fit. You're going to want to take your time here because if it touches down too early, it's not moving. So make sure you take your time and line everything up the way that it's supposed to. And as soon as you have it in position, you can start to put pressure on those exposed areas of 3M tape. And then we're going to go and we're going to start peeling back the tape that we taped to the front of the part. And as you peel back that tape, you just put firm pressure along that line. So you just follow it down as you're peeling it back. Go ahead and do that on both sides. Okay, now for the absolute best part, I call it the peeling sunburn part. You're going to peel off that protective film. That's going to reveal the absolutely flawless surface underneath. That surface has been protected since we got the sheet in the shop to start making the part. Okay, and just like that, now you've got a very unique looking, very nice looking front end that's going to be different than every other truck out there on the road. Also, you've got some serious protection for your grill. With the acrylic that's on this overlay, you're not getting rock chips in that thing. It's going to stay looking beautiful for a very long time. Show off your truck to people. So that's the best way that our products get advertised, is just showing off your truck. So please do that. I'd love to see pictures, so send in some pictures to our customer service department so we can check those out and share them on our social media. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, see you on the next video.